Today we're going to be cleaning our 1990 Ford F-250 we just picked up from a state auction a couple months ago. We're supposed to clean this thing up a little bit sooner, but we've just been slammed at the shop here in Dothan, Alabama. You guys know the shop's been crazy, but we finally got a little bit of time to come back here, clean this thing up today, and see what it looks like and how good a condition it is after. Then we're going to get this thing running and potentially keep it, potentially sell it. We don't know yet. Me and my brother are halves on this thing. So you'll see Hunter in the video today. We're going to be cleaning the outside first, pulling it inside, cleaning the inside, and then seeing if we can get this bad boy running. It's in great shape from what we can tell. It's only got like 80-something thousand original miles, and it was a farm truck, and the guy took somewhat good care of it, we think. So we'll see if we can get this thing shined up today, see what it looks like under all this peat moss and algae that's growing on it, all the cobwebs in the interior. We think it's going to turn out mint, at least on the interior. So we're excited to see how it turns out, and let's jump right into it. Now let us know down in the comments below what y'all want us to do with this old truck. A lot of people that seen the first video know that we got this from a doomsday prepper, which is pretty cool. He had a bunch of other diesels on his property. This is the one that we picked up. Seemed to be in the best shape. I think we got the luckiest with this one. Another guy found a gun inside his truck though, so maybe we didn't get the luckiest. There's no gun in this one. We haven't found one, at least yet. He was known to hide things, money, guns. He was known to hide a bunch of items. So we haven't detailed the interior yet. We may find something today in the interior, like a gun. We hope so. Well, who knows? All right, so we aired up the tires. Now we're going to push it back because my pressure washer hose reel won't reach around it way out here. So we're going to push it back to the concrete and put it in position to pressure wash this thing. We're going to have to push it. This interior, I think if we dye the seat after we get done cleaning it, I think it'll turn out pretty good. I wish the seat went back a little bit. Good Lord. So much crap. All right, we're in neutral. Should push a lot easier now. We had to push it on the trailer. We got it from that guy's property, and it was hard as hell to push. It should be a lot easier now. Brake's not on. It's in neutral. All right, 1, 2, 3. Straight on back. All right. So that's gonna do it for this video. We got a ton done. We got the exterior detail, the interior detail. We did a couple test sections on the paint. You can see right here, this is 1500, 3000 compound and then polish. You can see here, and then next to it, you can't even see the lights above, but here you can at least see the lights. Here, there's nothing. So I think this combination, it's a 4-stage correction is what this thing needs, and it's not like it's perfect paint, but it's a lot better than this. This test section over here turned out great. This is better paint. We only 3-staged this. We did 3000 wet compound and then a polish. And this, I mean, this is the test section right here, and it looks good. The interior looks good. We've got a fan on it now, drying it all out. We still have to do a couple things to it, like dress the interior with 303 to kind of bring it back to a matte finish. We got to clean the glass, and we're still thinking about taking the seat completely out and extracting underneath there, but it didn't look bad. This truck's in not that bad of shape, but we probably still will take the seat out eventually and clean out of there. We got to fix the glove box. We got to put a steering wheel cover on here. We already ordered the dye spray, so we're going to dye these seats back to red so they'll look better. And that's pretty much all it needs. I mean, the carpet turned out great. The seats turned out great. It has no smell in here. We had the ozone machine in here last night. I don't smell anything, Hunter, do you? No. Dude, it's literally smells like I'm getting in my 2021 F-150. I smell nothing, like no rat urine or anything like I was before. And that's good news. So I think if we can get this thing started, get the paint shined up, get it running, or not only started, but running and driving, at least here, you know, around the shop, I think we can sell this thing for a good amount of profit. We got this at an estate sale about a month ago, and easy money on this one, easy money, I think. Let us know if we should keep the camper shell on. We're probably leaning towards keeping it on and letting the next owner decide if they want it. If you guys want to see this, we haven't let this out yet. So this is going to be all the dirty extraction fluid from the seats and the carpet. Chocolate milk. That is disgusting. All that smell is now out of the truck, and it is not stinking like it was. It's about 5 gallons of fluid that we extracted out of a single cab 1990 F-250. I'm gonna go dump this outside, end out the video. Stay tuned for the next one if you guys wanna see this thing running. And for all of you that have stayed tuned to the end of the video, come check this out. Mater is at the shop, guys. This is for all of you who've stayed to the end of the video. I've got a million questions about Mater. Mater's at the shop. I've got to clean it up. I've got to tie up the clutch, the brakes, and the steering, and then Mater's done, man. It's kind of been waiting on that for like a year and a half at this point. It's been waiting on steering, brakes, and clutch. I've got Mater in my possession now. I've got to find a mechanic. If you guys know somebody in South Alabama that'll come to the shop, they can work inside AC and they can wrench on this thing. I got to get the clutch, the brakes, and the steering. If you know somebody who can do that, let me know. Just comment down below and I'll hit them up. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.